My beautiful angels, this is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your charms most requested pick a card reading. What is coming next for you, friends? Yes, you can. This is a timeless reading, but you can watch it for this week, friends. Yes, and we're gonna look into what's gonna happen next for you in your love, work, and career life in general, and some charms. Yes, I have my bag of charms here, so make sure to subscribe, like, share, friends. Subscribe Magic Wins Tarot, click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicwinstarot.com. And friends, this is a general reading, may or may not resonate, and it is a timeless reading. You can watch it anytime, friends. So let's just have a quick look. And what's happening astrologically this week? We start this week with new moon. Yes, new moon in Aries. Make your wishes, friends. And on the 14th, Venus will be moving into Taurus. So that is like relationships feeling grounded. Stable commitment, stability, commitment, those things. And on the 16th, this is a power packed week. Because Sun will be squaring Pluto, and that's gonna be that we gonna feel. That's an important aspect to have. Sun in square with Pluto, both are heavy major planets, and Mercury finally will be moving for Taurus also. So communications again will be more on finances, health, education, wealth, money, health, all these, wealth, health, money, all these things will be career, future will be important for us. So let's take a deep breath. Let's not waste the time. Let's make a choice. Let's take a deep breath. Relax, take a deep breath, and choose option number 1. This beautiful Wheel of Fortune card, the flow. Option number 2, the Nurturer card. Nurture card, sorry. Option number 3, Control. Beautiful cards. So friends, relax, take a deep breath, and choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section. As always, you can check them out from the comment section and choose your option. You can watch the entire reading. Yes, that's also perfect. And you can watch more than one pile also, friends. So yes. So let's begin for pile number 1. Let's see, for those who chose option number 1, the Wheel of Fortune. Wonderful. I see this week is very important for you, with some things moving on, or some relief or some sort of luck coming your way. So yes, the Wheel of Fortune you have chosen. Let's see. These are your oracle messages, some advice and some charms. We're gonna look shortly. So let's see what will happen next for you, friends. Pile number 1. Oh, nice. Lots of things are happening. So I feel right now, wow. Friends, firstly and foremost, this is going to be, you are heading towards a very busy time. I do feel you are slightly confused about a situation. Maybe it is your health situation, maybe it is your work, or about life in general. There is some sort of a confusion happening for you. Should I do this? Should I do that? Or you want to do everything right now. This week you're like, I want to super achieve, I will do everything. So I feel like you want to achieve a lot, or you have a lot on work right now, a lot of responsibility. So you may feel a bit overwhelmed, like lot of work, it's a busy week, friends. I will be honest here, it is a busy week for you. And if it is not busy, it is like you're mentally very busy, like you have, I want to do this, I want to do this. So you want to super achieve, you have a lot of plans in your mind. You may be under stress because of multiple jobs, or for having many responsibilities for one person to handle. It is important to stay balanced, and it is important to stay balanced in your work and your personal life, and bring a sense of fun, yeah, into your life. So I do feel this week is busy for you. Also, you have a lot going on in you are stressed about things, deadlines, stressed about, oh, should I do this, should I do that. stress. I see a lot of stress, but let's you have the wheel of fortune. So if you are stressed, feeling like this already, relief is coming. So don't worry, relief is coming because you chose this very powerful card, wheel of fortune. So if you are already feeling stressed out, worried, anxious, things will change for you. You can stay, you will find some relief. Oh, strength. Yes, definitely, friends. This week, your health is definitely going to be important. It is on your first priority. So, also, if you are dealing with some confidence issues, remember you are stronger than you know. So, believe in yourself. Also, I feel if you are dealing with health issues like stress, anxiety, too much thinking, too much workload, also, you will have the stamina, the motivation. You will find that extra oomph to do your work, friends. So you can, if you are having health issues, count they will be resolved, or you will find help. If you are struggling alone, you will find help, friends, definitely. 11 and 11 is also a new moon, so wow, that's interesting. I do feel some of you could be dealing with a twin flame, or you feel stressed about finding a lover, not finding a lover. Why is this person not behaving as I want them to behave? You are stressed about those things. Don't worry, friends, don't worry. True strength is disciplined through knowledge, forgiveness, and compassion. So remember to be kind to yourself. Remember to take care of your health, and don't stress yourself out. Don't work too much. And you have tremendous personal power and courage, and you have a lot of confidence, friends. You are very powerful. So if you have any confidence issues, if you're doubting yourself, do not doubt yourself. You're very, very confident, or you have a lot of untapped potential. Princess of Autumn. So I definitely see your focus is definitely on work, on career, on your future. Also, some of you are trying to understand some situation in your life, maybe a work or career situation, or you are trying to understand a person who is kind of confusing, or who is kind of like they could be your twin flame, husband wife, ex-husband wife, lover, somebody you crush, or your crush. You're trying to understand why. What's happening with that person? Why are they giving you mixed signals? So, someone is giving you mixed signals, or you want to know them better, or they are behaving very confusingly. So, you're like, what is going on? So, you want to study them, you want to understand them. You could be dealing with a Capricorn Virgo Taurus person this week. They are important for you, or you could be Capricorn Virgo Taurus. So, this is an important week for you. A wonderful opportunity related to your work or education is coming, such as a promotion or scholarship is coming your way. Seize this opportunity, grab this opportunity to learn something, grab this opportunity to learn something exciting, or start a more meaningful and fulfilling career. Wow, that's interesting. So I do feel if some of you may be having exams this week, so you're very stressed. You are like, who last minute I'll study everything. You are those guys, who study last minute and then they top, but you are like nervous as you are nervous. But I think you can do it, friends. Don't worry. Um, Also, I think someone is you are confused about someone. You want to know how they really feel. You are really you really want to learn things. Whether it is spirituality, some of you could be learning about the world, about economics, about the finances. I see books around you. I see you learning something. Or if you are confused, I see you looking up a dictionary. What is this confusion? You are looking into books, tarot, astrology. I do see you will be clicking more on my channel this week because you are little confused about something, but you can find the solutions are near you. Ooh, the Wheel of Fortune twice. Ooh, friends, double the energy. So very, very lucky. Don't doubt your luck. Are you doubting your luck? Oh my God, I'm not lucky. Don't do that. Don't do that, friends. Why I did that? Because here the card says that you should invite fun into your life, and that's exactly what you're gonna do. You should start doing something that enjoys, brings you out, brings the child out in you. Stay happy, do something which is fun, relaxing for you. And yeah, something is stuck for you, some situation. whether it is a work situation, like you have your work situation is imbalanced, it's not going like you wanted, your career, your education or money situation is not well. Don't worry, you will find the money, you will find the resources, you will find what you are looking for, rest assured. So solutions are coming for your way. Congratulations for that. Expect a sudden positive change in your life. You can now move forward and make great progress. So, yeah, if some of you are also in double minds about moving forward or making a change, like ending a job, moving ahead, or you left a relationship has ended, or someone new wants to come in, so you're a bit confused. So, whatever you start this week will be lucky, I feel. Although you will think a lot about it before starting, but it will be a lucky venture. Also, things started, businesses of the past, work of the past, it will pay off, so don't worry. I also feel that some of you want to travel this week and you are worried about that, or you are worried you can't travel this week. So, that I feel like, how do I say this? You are thinking too much this week. You are like thinking, what if I travel? What will happen? What will happen? If this will happen, then what will I do? If this will happen, then if I do this, then what will happen? If this will happen, then what will I do? So it is like a chain of thoughts, I see. Some of those things may not happen also, which you are trying to think. So don't worry yourself, just stay calm and enjoy life, and know that you are very lucky. Keep doing what is important, keep taking precautions, and um, do what is necessary for you. So don't worry, you are very, very protected in all ways, whether it is your work, money, career, even your health. You're very protected. Nine of winter. Oh my god, again you're not gonna sleep, friends. Last time also, this I think it was pile number 1 or 2 that was not sleeping. Again, friends, you're not gonna sleep, you're gonna listen to a lot of music, watch the moon. Some of you also want to go on a travel, go somewhere near an ocean, or a hill where you can watch the moon. Some of you are also dealing with anxiety, depression, or some health issues. Please rest assured, you have to take, your health is getting better, but also you need to take care of yourself. You have to make yourself important. If you keep working and think your health will be, all right, if you keep ignoring your health, that's not gonna how it is going to improve, right? Stay happy, stay positive, take little steps every day, and you will notice a change. I also see some of you are studying last minute. Yes, you are finishing project works. I can see you surrounded with books, with a hot chocolate, hot coffee, and you are like, oh my god, what am I doing? Your exams will be good, friends. Your exams, whatever you are preparing for, it will be it will be good and lucky for you. Some of you are dealing with a person who is nervous about you. They love you, but they are not telling you. Maybe they are suffering from anxiety, or they are suffering from some sort of a health issue, like fear, or like they feel scared to come back to you, but they are watching you from far. This person could be somebody who is in no contact, someone you left, who ghosted you, blocked you. So they are watching you and they are like super nervous about, coming back. They want to come back, but they are like, ooh, shall I come back? Will they will they say yes? Will they say no? So take care, friends, take care. Ace of Winter. I do feel you will find the solutions. Absolutely, if you stay calm, you will find a breakthrough. You will find a solution for your health, for your money situation, for whatever is causing you anxiety, stress. The solutions are there and you will find them this week. You just need to stay patient and you need to take care of your health. And, friends, another thing you need to do, stay positive. If you keep saying bad things to yourself and wonder, oh my god, I'm bad, nothing good is happening, friends. I can't help it. Nobody can help it then, because law of manifestations work that way. You have to say it like, yes, it will happen for me. So say it like that. Stay positive. I do see some victories coming for you, and it is a victory which is earned very hardly, very hard. You have struggled a lot for this victory, for this news, for this new job offer, or for your exams, your good results. the good news is coming. Some news is coming for you. Maybe a job offer, or maybe like someone gives you an extra project, but they also pays you extra. So something is coming your way, but this is a hard earned victory. You have worked for it. You have worked very hard for this victory. So I do see that if you are worried about something, if you are confused about something, you will find the solutions. So don't worry. If you are confused about traveling, to travel or not to travel, the solutions will happen. Maybe things you can do online. So don't worry. Solutions will come at the last moment, but you will find them very beneficial for you. And the Empress would keep taking care of your goals, your plans, your dreams, and your health, friends. You are very, very supported and you are very, very lucky this week. So keep taking care of yourself. Don't ignore your health. Also, some of you, could be having a childbirth or pregnancy this week, or there is a chance for that. So, congratulations. Another thing is like, some of you may be getting a new pet or something, because you are in that energy like, yeah, I want to take care. If you are actually having health issues, having a pet, or spending time with pet or in the nature will really help you to stay feel positive and feel relaxed. So yeah, be like your mothers, be like your mama, be a mother to yourself. Take care of yourself, take care of your dreams, because the universe is taking care of you. So it is time you also do that. Time to time to leap into action. Use your use your natural creativity to bring forth prosperity and success in your life. So definitely, I do feel you're gonna be successful this week. Even if you feel nervous, even if you feel scared, whatever you do, you will be successful in it. Also, take care of yourself, friends. That's what I want to say. You're ignoring your health, don't do that. Working too much, don't do that. Not sleeping at all, don't do that. Three of Cups. So I do feel this is a time this week. Some celebrations are coming your way. You may meet a friend, or someone who ghosted you, left you, or who is not talking to you. They may meet you at a party, or they may reach out to you in a group or something. I also feel some celebrations are definitely coming within the family. Also, family addition, like a new birth of a child, or a new pet is coming in the family. So you could also be finding a lot of messages through birds. So look out for that. Birds, feathers, coins. So look out for that. I also feel, friends, this week you are all work, no play. So try to involve some playtime. Children play all the time. So you should also do that. This is a time. Also, someone who put you in a third party, they are coming. A victory is coming for you in that. Someone who put you in a third party. And the Seven of Winter. Oh my God. Who? So I do feel, friends, this person has actually ghosted you. You don't trust this person, this lover, this person from the past. It could also be a family member or a colleague you don't trust. Also, you don't trust the universe. You are like, you don't trust your future. You are like, nah, nah. Don't do that, friends. You can count on you can count on yourself. If you cannot trust anybody, depend on yourself. Caution will help you avoid the loss of valuable, um, including financial resources and or peace of mind. Be aware of these. Be aware of the results of your actions. See, be aware of what you are doing. If you are obsessing, excessively doing something, don't do that. Stay in balance. As well as what others are doing might cause you some worry. So I do feel, this is more about you not trusting the future, but I feel you can count on the future. This key, some of you will have that solution. You are looking for that solution. You will find it. It is not love. If you are single, love is not gonna bypass you. It is gonna come towards you, friend. So let's see what else. Oh, anxiety, number 18. So, yeah, you are nervous, or so you are dealing with someone who has anxiety, depression, or just some health issues, or you are very busy, or they have exams. Like, you are a parent, so your children have exams, so you are worried, they are worried. So I would suggest you to enjoy, enjoy, celebrate, have a party. If nothing else, just make something nice. If nothing else, just listen to your favorite songs, take a break, enjoy life a little bit, and stay balanced. Yes. Number 4 and number 8. 4 is about stability, 4 is about family, 8 is about happiness, 8 is about success, and 8 is also the law of karma. So again, see, what your worry is not necessary, friends. Things are going to turn out okay for you, so don't stress yourself out so much. Stay balanced and rest and reconsider. Yes, friends, don't. I do see you will not be, in the mood to take a nap this week, not in a mood to sleep or relax, but you can, you can. You must actually take some time to relax, enjoy, because you will achieve success. Whatever you're working for, it will happen for you. Just take some time. Release number 13. Yeah, I do feel some tensions and worries or fears, or something from the past has been over. It is time to say bye bye to it. And some of the worries you have won't come true, friends. You are safe, you are secure, you are prosperous. If you are having money issues, money is coming your way, so please rest assured. Let's see some advice and then your charms. Ooh, dream big, let go of small thoughts about yourself, see yourself succeeding. So I do feel, friends, like you doubt yourself, you're doubting yourself right now, or you feel like, nah, things won't happen for me, I won't find love. But darling, dream big. It's your time to dream big, because you have two wheel of fortunes, your luck is high, some celebration is coming your way, so start dreaming. Start saying something nice for yourself. Let's see some charms for you, friends. Option number 1, what will happen for them this week? I see this. I see some charms. Let's see. Ooh, let's take them all. Okay, so you have number 37 with the initial F. Interesting. So maybe somebody named Fanny. Was there a charm? Okay, there was a bead there. Let's see. Let's just separate them so we can quickly see them. Ooh, alpha. So I do feel you are the alpha female or the alpha person. You are very important. So don't doubt your success, friends. I see the alpha, alpha like first. You are the main important person. So yeah, like the alpha male, the alpha elephant, the alpha, tiger, lion who leads the pack, alpha wolf. Some of you are scared of failing or falling in love or failing in love or failing in exams or something. Don't worry, friends. You're gonna do well. If you have prepared well, you're gonna do well. Even if not, your luck is high. So I do see initials FALO are important for you. And then there is this number 37 that's important for you. There is number 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 is important. And number 55 is important for you this week. You also have the apple, so I do feel take time to eat healthy and eat fresh. News is coming, wedding bells are coming, so some of you are nervous maybe about a marriage or getting married. So yes, positive news is coming. Star, yes, your stars will shine. You are definitely a powerful person, don't doubt that. Mushrooms, yes, I do feel this energy is very intense for you this week. You may have a lot of visions, a lot of psychic dreams, visions, lucid dreaming, and also some sexual chemistry. You may feel driven by a person or a sexual connection. Passions are high because the sun is in Aries also. So, yeah, passions are high. Leave, let go of the worries. Play, take care of yourself, friends. Don't neglect yourself because of everything else. Green, healing, yes. Also, money coming your way. Three of Hearts, I do see a friendship coming your way or friends returning back. I also see a celebration coming your way. It is also someone put you in a third party, so they might come back, or they are watching you. Cowboy hat. Take charge. You are the leader of your life, friends, but also you're very, very ambitious, also, So, you know, you may be wearing the hats, or you may be taking a lot of responsibility this week, but take care of your health also, because you also have the elephant with the baby elephant, the mama elephant with the baby elephant. So that means take care of yourself, don't just be a leader, also take care like a mother for yourself. And the cowboy hat also reminds me someone is behaving like a lover is behaving like, oh, I don't care, but I think they are going through some nervousness to approach you. This person has some, they might be egoistic, or they appear they have fake confidence, but it's not real. It's actually fake. They are very scared of you, or scared of losing you. So, yeah. And don't forget to say, so I do feel, yes, money is coming your way. If you're worried about money, don't worry. Money will be there for you. And mouse, yeah, mouse is also about, running. Mouses run so fast, they are always inquisitive. So learn something, but at the same time, take some rest also. Time, yeah, divine timing is at work. August is important, so something you're worried about may not happen, or may happen in August. Five of air, yeah, someone could be born in August. Five of air, yeah, someone has ghosted you, they want to come back again. Someone who has blocked you, no contact. Four of air, this person kept you waiting and waiting. They want to reach out. They are this cowboy, like they are like, ooh, I want to catch you. Six of air, yes, travel. Some of you, traveling is important. Maybe someone is traveling towards you, or you are traveling towards them. You will definitely get the message. Notifications in your I see in social media, you will get a notification which you are waiting for about this person. So subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share. Join us on Instagram. This is Miss Tixie saying bye bye. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website. Bye for now. So, friends, if you choose option number 2, the nurture card, let us see how this week will be. Charms reading. I'll be pulling your charms shortly. Number 3, the nurture, the empress. Wow, this card is beautiful. I feel this week you are definitely connecting with the solutions you need to, healing, lots of creativity, communication, self love. These are your oracle messages and advice. I'll be taking them shortly, and your charms also. And these are your cards. Let's see what will happen, or what's coming next for you. All right. Oh, you're feeling a bit disappointed, friends, right now. Why? Five of Spring. Someone is fighting with you, someone is arguing with you. I see it could be a family member, it could be a friend. It could be you are divided between yourself, like a part of you is like, your head and heart are saying two different things, so you feel like a conflict within yourself. But I feel this is more like someone is fighting with you, or they are giving you this cold shoulder. Maybe a friend, a lover, a husband, wife, or maybe a colleague or a boss, and you are disappointed. You are like, why is this person? Why is this competition? Why are they fighting with me? What have I done? Why can't this person understand me? What is going on? Also, I feel, yes, for some of you, if this is not about a person, this is like you have two different things which are fighting, an inner war going on. Like you have two things. Your mind is saying one thing, your heart is saying another, and you're like, what is going on? Why can't I decide? Why is this so confusing? All right, let's see. Occasionally, you may experience clashes with others if you decide if you decide the matter is worth your energy, then do what you can to minimize the conflict without sacrificing your beliefs or your peace of mind. So I do feel like someone is quarreling, or there is drama in this week, or it is already happening. Some fights, some arguments with a friend, colleague, or a family member. But it is time to decide, is it really important? Is it worth it? or not? Because I think it's not worth it, because you chose the empress. You are the god, you are the goddess. Make yourself important. I know it's tough when other people are fighting in competition, they don't understand us, but you can remove yourself from the drama. You can say, yes, you are right. If somebody tells you, hey, this is east, you can say, yeah, it is east. I agree with you, completely agree with you. So that's what you need to do. Is it important fighting, arguing? You may say yes, but I think the angels are trying to tell you, no, it's not worth it right now. You can find your peace. Seven of Cups, yes, you are confused about certain things. You are also confused, like, you may feel like you are very clear about what you need to do, but there is some sort of a confusion still hanging in your mind or heart. Like, like you're fighting with somebody for, like, see, I want to do this. I know I'm right. But are you really right? I'm sorry to call you out that way. But sometimes there is an emotional confusion going on. We feel the other person is wrong, but maybe they are doing things out of emotions, emotional things, attachments. Maybe that person is behaving under the influence of emotions, confusion. They don't see things as you see. So give them a benefit of doubt. Give yourself a benefit of doubt. I do see that somewhere you are a little confused, or someone is confusing you, like family members, or mixed. Like you want to go for studies, for something, some other career. They want you to go for some other career. So confusion, what you should do. So, I would suggest you to focus on yourself rather than the outside, because this confusion is not coming from outside, it is coming from within you. The solutions are within you, so don't worry. It is time to stop procrastinating and make a decision so that you can move forward and make progress. Uh, if you need to do more research, then do so. But don't overlook this situation. Listen to your heart. Your heart is guiding you, friends. Yes, you may know that what is the truth of this situation. So don't fight, don't argue. I think you already know what is happening in this situation. So listen to that. Listen to your intuition. Take care of yourself. If there is competition, don't lose hope, because you must stick to what you are doing, and you're gonna definitely get successful. So don't worry. If people are creating drama, you may feel lost. Some of you are feeling emotionally lost, like you don't belong there, people don't understand you at your work. In this love relationship, the other person is like competing with you rather than understanding, and you are like, is this where I belong? Is this, there is a sense of not belonging there. But listen to your heart. What does your heart tell you? It is, this week is very important for you to listen to your heart and put yourself first, and also to just forgive others. I know it's tough, but because the drama is affecting you, so forgive them or step back from it. Ten of Cups, yes, I do feel family is very important to you this week. And if your family is going through struggles or tensions or dramas, because squaring of the sun with Pluto can lead to dramas within, the child's and parents, because, or between husband wives, or between, some sort of a ideology clash, generation clash can happen. But don't let it affect you. Step back, focus on love, focus on being loving and kind, and focus on building, be your own family, and also bring love into the situation. And I do see that family situations will heal. If a relationship is going through trouble, peace and harmony will be restored. If it is a love relationship, peace will be restored. If it is a family work relationship, peace will be restored. So don't worry. Oh, Ten of Spring. Definitely, this situation has put you under a lot of pressure. You feel isolated, you feel like burdened, you feel like, oh my god, I'm doing everything alone. There is no friend, there is no help, nobody understands me. You also have a lot of work on your plate, you also have a lot of ambition, and you feel like you are doing things alone. You are walking an alone path, a lone journey since a long time. People are also putting blame on you, but they are confused, they don't know what they are doing. You know, when people are angry, they don't know what they are saying, they don't know what they are doing. So don't worry about it. Don't blame yourself. Don't be so hard on yourself. This situation of drama, competition, of confusion will be ending, and something beautiful will happen. A healing will happen. So don't lose hope, friends. Don't lose hope. And don't be so hard on yourself by trying to do everything alone. Um, try and ask for support. If you try and write things, maybe I feel like your emotions are boiling also. You're like, oh my god, what am I supposed to do? Your emotions are, someone can talk to you, but you can't say to them. So what do? They are having the drama, and I'm telling you to step back. So how do you release that energy? Write something, maybe work on your fitness, work on your creativity, work on your future goals. Spend this energy for yourself, focusing on your health, taking care of your pets. Maybe get a pet, adopt a pet. It is always wonderful to adopt somebody or a pet from the roads. Yeah, take proper care of them, of course, and maintain, vaccinations, whatever is the treatment for them. Everybody deserves a home, just and they are as lonely as you are. So if you feel lonely, just think how lonely they would feel. Just as you miss a home, they miss a home too. So yeah. And burdens will be less, friends, but don't burdens are healing, so don't worry. You have been through a lot, and you definitely, maybe you had a lot of issues in the past, a failed marriage, or maybe, lots of tempers, lots of people opposing you. Opposition is always there for you, but don't worry, you have become very strong. Some happiness is coming your way, and you are working far too hard, and the stress will soon become too much. Reach out for help for others and take some time to play and enjoy life. See, I told you that. I think it is time to focus on yourself. This pile number 2 is all about taking a step back, focusing on yourself, focus on the dream. Because this drama, this competition, this argument is not important. Whatever is happening, what is important is your future, your present, your health, your future, and whatever you're working for. So try and learn something, try and focus this energy. Also, talk to someone, if you have nobody, maybe try and get a reading from me, friends. It can help you. It can also help you as a friend. A friend helps you. I don't know what else can I say about this, but you have friends around you, people who can understand. So reach out to people. Queen of Winter, yeah. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important to you this week, and I also see a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important. So I do feel that communications are very important to you. How people are communicating, how they are not communicating, how they are rude, if they are not rude. Also clarity, be clear. Try to set your priorities. What is important? Is this fight important? Or uh, you know focusing on your dream is more important. Learning something new is important, so focus on that. I also feel someone wants to pick a fight with you or argument with you. So drama is high, friends. Oh God, communications are part of the number 3, and it could be at work. Some of you could be having dealing with a mother who doesn't understand you, or dealing with a boss who doesn't understand you, a teacher who is like, ooh, always shouting, shouting, shouting. So some of you are like, what am I gonna do? Focus on yourself. Focus on yourself. For some of you also, you are going to win, friends. A victory is coming for you in competition, or in an office situation, in a tense situation, in a pressure cooker situation. You are going to win, because you have that clarity to work in such pressurized situations. Some of you could be doctors, healers, or some of you could be working online. So the stress is more because of managing the family or the home, but you are working from home. But I think you can do it, friends. You have that energy, you can do it. Just also ensure that you take time to relax. And the 6 of Autumn, balance is coming, money is coming, friends. Some of you are like, nobody values me, where is my money, I worked so hard. It is coming, friends, it is coming. Peace is coming, and whatever you're missing from life, that is coming. For some of you, it is peace. For others, it is a lover coming back, or posting something on their social media. A lover, a twin flame, or ex is posting something like they miss you, or they some sort of a message for you, and it will heal your heart. I do feel that some of your friends from the past, your childhood friends, they will also try to reach out, and it will make your heart feel happy. You should also reach out to a friend this week, because I do see that it will help you also and them also. Money is also coming your way, friends. Yes, the lovers, again, this is about a choice, friends. There is a choice in this week, that you can choose love, you can choose self-care, you can also choose to focus on love and communicate with love, and not to work too much. So choices, 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 it is up to you what you will choose. uh, the lovers is also, if someone is fighting, arguing, or family, especially family or a boss, like you can't reply them back also. So focus on love. Take a step back and focus on love. It is not like you are less than them, it is just that you value the peace more than anything else. And true and long lasting love find its way into your life. Follow your heart with caring actions and choices. See, love is coming for you. A transformation is gonna happen in a relationship for you. Queen of Autumn, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important for you, friends. Yes. Uh, I also feel for some of you, friends, you can move out of a lot of drama if you focus on your work. If you are worried about wealth, work, career, wealth, money, where is my money, when it will come, I'm working overtime but I'm not being paid so much, what is happening? Money is coming, friends. The money situation, some of you could also be struggling to change a job. You are like, should you change it or not change it? Some of you are also like, you're working too much, but you are like, no one appreciates you at your work. So don't worry, balance will happen, justice will happen, victory will happen, or a clarity will come for you, especially if you want to change your job or something. Let's see what else. Victory, yes, a victory is coming for you, friends. A spiritual victory, emotional victory, and a victory at your work. Number 28 is important. I also feel if you choose to focus on yourself, on your dreams, your creativity, and avoiding all this drama, you have already won the situation, friends. Nothing else can be done by the other party then. Healing, yes, your money situation will heal, your relationships are healing. Don't worry. Don't worry, friends. Don't feel alone. The angels are with you. I'm with you. Everyone is with you. So don't worry. Rebuild, number 16. Yes, I do feel somebody from the past wants to come back. It could be a friend, or you want to reach out to a past lover or a friend, a twin flame. And I also feel if your heart was broken in the past, friends, it is healing. Don't worry, you will find love and things will heal. I also feel that someone from the past will try to reach out, or they are going through some issues, maybe like they are married, they are in double minds whether to leave that marriage or not. So they are also going through some painful issues, but things will shift. A healing will happen in this connection. And solar plexus, number 3. So yes, friends, this is about choosing yourself, making yourself important, and also keeping yourself positive and strong. And also, I think the drama or competition is happening because you are doing well, you have a lot of success, you are doing well, so people might be jealous of you, or someone's ego is making them behave badly. So don't worry about it. You have a lot of confidence, you have a lot of things going your way, so focus on that rather than all the negatives. And also, some of you are worried about whether you can achieve a goal or a dream. Yes, you can. Business success? Yes, you can. Career success? Yes, you can. So believe in yourself. Let's see your advice, then your charms. Positive energy. So yes, friends, I do feel this is time to focus yourself or surround yourself with positive things. I would advise you to binge watch the channel, because It's positive. What else can I say? Surround yourself with positive people, situations, avoid negativity. Yes, I don't think so things are as bad, but it's just that the drama is distracting you. So let's see your charms. Pile number two. What will happen for pile number two? All right. I also feel some of you are watching a lot of cricket, or some of you are very, this is about passion, the Mars energy, Aries energy. So let's see first the initials. Oh, you have this butterfly in the letter N, so that might be important. The initial N and the butterfly. Can we take this out? I don't think so. Okay, we finally got it. And oh my god, the bead is gone. Oh, can't save it. It was the red bead for passion, self confidence. It is also about competition, but I think you can manage it. All right, see. Wow, seen. So maybe you are angry about person who has seen your messages but they are not replying back. So you are like, why you keep seeing my messages but you don't reply back to them? So what's going on? So maybe you are upset with that person, or maybe someone's name could be Asin, Asin, Sally. I get the name Sally. Sane could also be in a name here. Sane. C could also be important. C. A lot of emotions. So the initials are SEN and SEA. And yes, attachment. Yes, you are definitely attached to somebody, and they are very attached with you. I feel this. Another thing is the way this spin went down. It is like someone is behaving arrogantly because they are very attached to you, or because you are also very attached. Everyone is attached to their point of view, so that is the problem. Number 18 is important. And the dark horse, friends, you are very strong, don't doubt yourself, and things will heal for you. So also you are maybe different from other people, so don't try to fit in. And the bow, take care of yourself, and be proud of yourself. And you know butterfly, yes, changes are happening for you, positive change is coming, a good news is coming, message in a bottle. Some message will come to you, messages of love, messages of happiness, which will make you feel happy and excited. And hello, I'm a bad idea, so someone new is also going to approach you. And maybe they are very attached to you, or you are very attached to that person. So yes, that's there. 9 of coins, money is coming your way. Don't worry. Star, yes, your luck is shining. You're very lucky. Wish is coming true. Ace of swords, breakthrough is coming. A victory is coming. You have already won something. Don't worry. October is important for you. So maybe coming October will be important, or somebody born in October. 3 of Cups, yes, friends, focus on enjoying life. A celebration is coming. Also, it is time to, call your friends, get to know them. I think you are working too much. You haven't talked to your friends lately. 5 of Coins, money issues. You are definitely having money or worries. But, star, your wishes will come true. 9 of Coins, money coming in. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. Art, focus on your art, friends. Yes, creativity. Sage, yes, friends, you're very, this week is about connecting to your spirituality. Be the wise person, be the kind person. I know it's tough, I know you don't want to do that because you already are kind enough, friends, but take the wise approach, whatever it is. I don't know what is wise, but yeah, May, the month of May is important. And Ladybug, you're very lucky. Sage is also like whatever situation you are stressed about, it is teaching you something. So learn from it. And November, wow, you have a lot of months. October, November, and the month of May. May is coming. We are in April, so this is timeless, but still. Prince of Coins, a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is also important, someone younger than you. So, friends, that's it for now. Subscribe, like, and share Magic Wins Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye. So for those who chose option number 3, this beautiful control card, let us see, friends, how this week will be for you if you chose this card. Number 8, the strength card. Definitely I feel like this is a very powerful week for you, and these are your oracle messages, advice, and your chance will be pulling shortly. Let's see, pile number 3. I feel this is a very strong week for you, and this is a week your intuition will be very high and destiny is at work in your life this week. All right, let's see. Okay. Whew. So right now you are feeling like you start this week, or currently you are feeling like a bit disappointed. It feels like you feel like everybody has deserted you, everybody has left you, or nobody is trying to help you in whatever situation you are in. It feels like that. Some of you are also feeling alone, like lonely, and it also feels like someone has betrayed you and you don't like it, friends. You feel disappointed with that. Some betrayal, some lack of, someone ghosting you, blocking you, or some partnership not working out, some deals not working out, or something from the past that didn't work out. You are upset with that right now, or you wonder why it happened. You are like, why this happened. Your career path is not isn't leading you towards the happiest possible outcome, so why not change it? Always maintain integrity and compassion, but a lot but be alert to the hidden agendas of others. Yeah, you really feel like some people are not trustworthy around you. You don't trust them. I do feel this is about something from the past. You are like, why they did this to you? This was so unfair of that person. Why they behaved like this with me? Why they did it? So it maybe, I don't feel this is something that has happened recently. For maybe some of you, but for most of you, this is from the past. Whatever this thing was. Maybe a relationship, someone ghosted you, someone blocked you, or someone moved away, someone just left, betrayed your trust at work, so you are upset about that. You also don't trust the universe in some way to provide you your whatever you're asking for. But this week it is time to put yourself forward, friends. It is time to put yourself first. Also, it is time to work for yourself, to work on yourself, and don't wait for others to help you. This is a very independent week, so try and take matters in your hand rather than waiting for another person to help you out, friends. So this is a very clear message here. If you are asking for help from another person, just wait a second and think about it. I think you can do the same thing alone and much better than them. Also, for some of you, if money was lost, money is coming your way, or you will be able to recover certain losses. Some of you, if your businesses are not doing well, start working, start believing in it again, because you gonna do it well this time and money is coming. So start thinking about new ideas, start thinking about valuing yourself rather than what others can do for you. Start thinking and putting yourself first. Take matters into your own hands, friends. Be independent, put yourself first, and be ready to change. Take responsibility, change some things. And yes, I do feel that three of spring, yes, you are working very very hard, and I do see that you are ready for expansion, especially in your career, money, and even in your work, like even in your home life. You want to expand, you want a new home, a bigger house, maybe a better car, or maybe you feel like this is time for change. This is time for expansion, a travel, a move, a shift, a relocation. Yes, you are ready for that, but before that it is time to study everything and really understand what you want. I also feel that for some of you, some deals may not, contracts may not work out the way you wanted. Like, someone promised you, yeah, I'm gonna see you on the weekend, this weekend, and then at the weekend they were not there. So you may feel upset about it. Some broken promises. Like someone's promised you, oh, yes, I'll do this on Friday. Perfect, you can expect it by Friday. And by Friday, it's not done. So, count on yourself, believe in yourself. You can do certain things by yourself, and you must put that forward. You must put yourself first. You are ready for expansion. Yes, it is time to expand your work, your career. Even some of you could be graduating or moving out of colleges into new classes, into a new job or something. So yes, that expansion, that change, is you're ready for change, but at the same time it is also the time of planning how you this change will happen for you or manifest for you. Stop to take time to review and make long term plans. Capitalize your past success. It is important to pat yourself on the back for all your accomplishments, but you may also be patient for the next phase of life to begin. See, so something has ended for you, and you should be, you should be proud of yourself, whatever you learned. Maybe it didn't go as you wanted, but I do feel you did your best and you learned a lot, and something new is about to start in the coming few months. Maybe a job change, maybe you will change your career or start a business, or you already started. It will go well, friends, or like, relocation or something. But this is a time to plan right now. This is a time to plan and take matters in your own hand. Be responsible. Also, let go of past disappointments. Let's see what else. The high priestess, you are getting a lot of signs, you are getting a lot of messages. I also see spirit is guiding you somewhere, or it is giving you important signs, important messages. So you must note them down and trust that, so you don't miss out on what is important. I also feel that there is a connection where you are very attached to somebody, or you have a telepathic connection with that person, but this person may be fighting or away, no contact, they are separated from you. So, you should follow your intuition right now and put yourself forward or put yourself first this week, because then only an expansion can occur in this connection. So it is time to listen to your intuition, friends. Listen to your intuition, and don't. You will also have a lot of dreams this week. I also see you will be writing some of the exams when you are giving. You will have a lot of. Luck with you. It is like God, angels or God will help you during your exam. So yeah, it's not like you should not study. No, 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 it is just gonna happen on its own. So don't think too much about it. I don't want you to like never not study and then you're like, God will write my paper for me. Nope. The hand is yours. You have to write it. Your knowledge. Only God can guide you which questions to choose, which can score you better. All right. This is a time to pause and reflect and not to take action. See, this is a time of planning, friends. Yes, you are ready for a new start, you are ready for a change, you are ready for expansion, you are ready to fly and take off. But this is a time to pack your bags, not to jump the gun. And trust in your spiritual gifts, as nothing is hidden from your divine intuition. So believe in your intuition. If you are getting, or if your intuition is telling you somebody is not trustworthy, yes, they are not. If your intuition is telling you that you can do something alone much better than with somebody, like go for a group study, and your intuition is telling you, nah, 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 that plan won't work out, I should study on my own. Yes, that's what you need to do. And the sun, I do feel, friends, if someone lost betrayed on you, or left you, ghosted you, blocked you, disappeared from your life, or caused you some monetary loss, your sun is gonna shine. You're gonna recover from it, absolutely. So yeah, this week is like, take some sunshine. I feel some of you are just not going out and taking some sunshine. If you have a roof, go there. Get out in the day, at least for once or few minutes, 10-20 minutes, and get some sun. Go out, get some sun. And also, some of you need to start singing. I don't know, there is something about the throat which you need to take care, or you will start taking care, or your sweet voice is very sweet. Something about the voice is important. Throat. Your plans will your plans will work out very well, bringing you happiness, prosperity, and success. You will gather much recognition for your accomplishment, as you richly deserve all that is coming your way. So yes, your sun is gonna shine, you will be rewarded, you will get success that you desire. You're working for it right now, you're planning for it. If you're trying to manifest something, yes, it is gonna be good for you. It will manifest properly in the coming time. Yes, 6th of spring, a promotion is coming for you. It was long due, friends. It was long due, this promotion, this pay rise, or maybe some sort of a extra money, or some refunds from the, some refund, some money, some sort of a success is coming your way. You may receive a promotion, uh, or you will be chosen for a scholarship, or you will find some special recognition for the past hard work. You have done an amazing job, and you deserve all this attention and fame. So definitely you gonna be successful this week, friends. Keep doing your work, don't let others stop you, don't let fear stop you. You're very strong. I also feel some of you are dealing with a twin flame relationship, and you will get a lot of messages. Your twin flame is changing, they are awakening. Although you may be in no contact right now, but things will be successful in the future. Yes, I do feel a lover will also try to see that you have chosen yourself, and that will improve them to behave well with you. The world, yes, some of you are definitely, you need to end a past story, friends. A chapter has closed for you, and you are ready for a new start. This is just your preparation phase, and very soon something new will start for you. Some of you could be going abroad, or some other traveling is important, relocation, traveling, finding a job in some another city or country. It will happen when the time is right. It is already destined for you, it will happen soon. But you need to end this past thing, whatever you are carrying from the past, like they cheated on me, they did this to me, this, something from the past needs to end. Congratulations on successfully accomplishing what you set out to do. You have made through impossible challenges, and you have learned important lessons which you were offered, which were in your path, and this has made you more courageous, strength. Yes, anything which is you taking responsibility, you doing things on yourself or by yourself, is like you becoming independent, you getting the lessons, and you learning how bold, how confident you guys are. So put yourself forward and do things yourself rather than waiting for others. I do see you want help, you want someone else to fix your life, but I think you can do it. Your work, your love life, or whatever it is, you can do it yourself, and you will be very popular. So don't worry. Queen of summer, yes, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important for you. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person is important. I feel this week you are a bit emotional, friends, because you may be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or you have a lot of planets there. So this is an emotional week. You want others to be kind, you don't want to be put yourself, you're not somebody who will be dominating or who will be too independent. But this is the week, you need to be independent, you need to do things yourself, and you need to let go of some past emotional hurts or pain or baggage, because something amazing is coming your way in the future. So yes, stay open to miracles. Indecision, yeah, something is making you confused. Maybe why this person ghosted you, or why this is not working out for you. Choices, indecisions. So don't be too emotional. Listen to your intuition to make the right decisions. Attachment, yeah, you are very attached to something or somebody, like family or friends, or from a past hurt. You are very attached to that. It's time to change. It's time to change. Number 4, woman holding a heart. So definitely, friends, I do see a new love or a renewed love coming towards you. I also feel this is a time to put yourself, focus on self-love, take care of your heart. And this lady is showing you that your heart knows the answers. So don't worry. If someone didn't value you, does not mean that another person will not love you or value you. As long as you value yourself, everything else is, will fall in place. Base chakra, number one. I do feel a very important connection is coming towards you, or someone who has a lot of attraction, a lot of sexual energy. You may be in a connection which is kind of lustful. There is a lot of physical attraction there. You are attracting a lot of people, and base chakra is also taking charge of your life, responsibility coming together. Two of cups, wow. So yes friends, your dreams are coming together. This is just a time of waiting and planning so that in the future you can take the right actions. Listen to your intuition, and a relationship or a new relationship is coming for you, or a healing will happen. Let's see your advice. Explore your options. It is time to look at other possibilities. It is a good time to make changes. So, yes, this is a slow week for you, but I would suggest that it is a good week for you, because slow is good. You need this slowness to see what possibilities are there, and you definitely. A change is coming for you, friends, and this is the week you decide how or what that change will be. Let's see your charms. Option number 3, what will happen for them? Alright, lots of charms. Let's see. So the charms have chipped my nail paint. That's too bad. But it's okay. It's just a preparation, right? Just as we say here in this reading, it's okay. Don't be too attached. So yeah, as long as you guys don't mind, I'm fine with it. So just let me separate them a bit. Okay, so let's see. Oh, I see the word Ved or Dev or Ved. That is there. Veda. Some of you could be learning some new books or connecting with Vedas, scriptures, law of attraction, all those things. Maybe some of you are worried about your past. Don't be worried about the past. It is time for a new start for you. Focus on new things. And LASVED, those are your initials. The numbers are number 14 and number 37. 14 and 37 are important. Yes, you are very protected. The protection charm is here. You are very, very protected. The flower. Yes, things are growing for you. This is, things are at a pause because things are growing, changing, shifting for you. The heart. Focus on your heart. Take care of yourself. Another flower. A beautiful relationship is there, and healing will happen in it. Tree of life. Yes, it is time to lay your roots or work on your foundations. Oh God, something is gonna make you smile. Someone who might kiss you this week, or someone might propose you. Peacock, yes, it is time to shine yourself. It is not the time to hide, friends. It is time to shine. It is time to go out and focus, tell people who you are really. I also feel there is someone who is trying to get your attention. A lover, a new person, a crush. Someone wants to have your attention. They are trying. Again, a butterfly is here. This for me is like a new love, or a love message, sweet love message coming, crush message. This is about money, or some unexpected money coming your way. Water, yeah, focus on yourself. Water, or work on your dreams. Music is very important to you this week. And somebody musical is also important. Leave, yes, things are falling into place. Don't worry. Dolphin, stay happy. 6 of Cups, love is coming. A soulmate relationship. 10 of Cups, family, happiness, weddings, spending time with family, meeting your family. 3 of Air, recovery. Someone has broken your heart, but you will recover from it, friends. Cat, yeah, be like the cat. Take care of yourself. Asia is important for some of you. 6 of Coins, yes, your hard work will coming. It was here also, 6 of Coins. No, Six of Wands was here. So your past hard work will be rewarded. Yellow, stay happy and classy. Yes, friends. I do feel like, focus on yourself. Take charge of your life. Stop waiting for others and lead, because that's what I see in your week. Wow, that rhymes. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wins Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.